the 15th of June. And squirrels playing out there. Myself, my father and Edie are going to Farmer Palmer's to see some goats, some farmyard animals and some soft play stuff. I had a dream that I was a prince. I was wearing robes and living in a big tent, and I had people fetching me stuff. It was a good life. Luckily I've woken up and I am actually a prince. The Prince of Bournemouth. Fetch me things. Bring me grapes and melon. Bathe me and clothe me. It's their day off. Must be their day off. I'll just wash myself and get my own breakfast. Yeah. That's what the Prince of Bournemouth has to put up with. Have a good day, peeps.
This one?
Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Now I'm filming you.
Why?
Georgie's going to go and swim a mile in the sea. We might never see her again. This could be.
Why are you being horrible?
Oh, I don't want that to happen.
I've got my swimming hat and everything.
Oh, well, that'll save your life. She's going off, look. I bloody love that girl. Right, weirdo. So, me and my dad are taking Edie to Farmer Palmer's. Ba-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I made some new instrumentals for my vlog. Now you can enjoy one of them. Do you like these? What is it? Oh! What's he saying? Excuse me, I can see you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah, there you are. Oops. Good evening, cruel world. Just a quick farewell. I'm doing my bit for Anglo-Russian relations. Privyet to my Russian fans, even though there are none at the moment. It's been a good day. I apologise for naming the vlog Dangerous Farm Animals. There are no dangerous farm animals, well, none that I know of. In the vlog. Thought I'd put that as a little experiment to see if this particular video gets a lot of hits, because the most popular video that I've posted with a colossal total of 40 views is the one that's called Pregnant Sister, and I reckon there are just some weird people out there that just, I don't know, either there's people love babies, don't they? But I've mentioned baby in the vlog. I've mentioned baby in the title a lot of times, and they're no more popular. But Pregnant Sister is very popular, so there's people all over the deep south going, "Hell, some other people got their sister pregnant, and over to her," and it's not, and it's just my sister who is pregnant. Maybe that's my twisted mind, but I just think it's weird that that one is named Pregnant Sister, and it's the most popular. Anyway, it's been a good day, as you might have seen. George has gone out again. It's 7:05. Edie's in bed. My dad's going home very early in the morning, and we're going to watch the football again. We're going to watch France against Albania. A classic. It's due to be a classic. Thanks for watching. I hope it's entertaining for you. It's entertaining for me. That's all that really matters to me. Actually, the you being entertained is as important as me being entertained. Almost. But vive la France. Au revoir.